Keith with Yarbrough and Sons here again. I just wanted to answer a few questions a lot of people get whenever we talk about duct cleaning. A lot of people don't know kind of what kind of equipment we use, and just wanted to kind of go over the equipment and kind of the process. The way it works is it's kind of got two parts. It's got a brush that's going to spin around as we feed it through, and that'll agitate any of the dirt coming out. And then it's got a vacuum attached to it, so when that dirt gets agitated, it'll go actually into the vacuum. It's a pretty simple process. Usually takes about 3 hours for a typical house. So pretty much we're gonna run that through all the ducts, returns, and clean around the actual boot. But then at the very end, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a disinfectant and we're gonna run it into the return, and that's gonna go through all those ducts and help clean out any fungi, bacteria, and odors. And so after that, we do a thorough cleanup, and that's pretty much the process. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call 405-485-3470.